Caramel Rock is proud to announce our Spark Lab Ilford residency. We are proud to announce that we will be launching an opportunity for local designers in Ilford. Are you a designer that lives based in Ilford, Redbridge? Are you a creative that is looking for opportunities to showcase your collection design in our pop-up shop? Please contact us now, as we have a variety of opportunities for local designers, giving you a wealth of opportunities and access to showcase and sell and trade your collection. Email us now, admin@caramelrock.com, or give us a call on 0207 476 3222. We look forward to hearing from you very soon.